Hi, my name's Ian Swanston and welcome to Closers. In business, regardless of our products or services, we all have competition, which is healthy. Competition drives innovation and service levels to new heights. Even startups with disruptive technologies that no other company yet has have to compete with the status quo. And because of this competition, we need to be able to differentiate ourselves from our competitors. This differentiator is called our value proposition, and creating a winning value proposition is critical for the success of any company. The value proposition is not your great service, your reputation, your pricing, the length of time you've been trading, or anything similar. These are me too statements that buyers hear all the time from salespeople, and things they frankly take for granted. Great service is not a differentiator, it's a basic requirement of being in business. Our value proposition must first serve as a compelling reason to change from the status quo, and then be a compelling reason to choose us. These compelling reasons must provide a value to the buyer after they have purchased our products or services and are experiencing the benefits thereof. This would typically be either an impact on their business, a financial impact on their business and/or them personally, and/or a personal emotional impact. We can uncover the value proposition using a simple gap analysis tool which we teach in consultative selling skills. The gap is the difference between where the buyer is right now and the desired state in the future. The gap is your value proposition, pure and simple. It is possible to sell with a weak value proposition, however this usually creates pressure on pricing, which can often be identified by discounting to win new business. Without a clear and strong value proposition, buyers view all the competing salespeople as the same, and when the buyer sees no differentiator, they choose price as the differentiator. Thank you for watching. My name's Ian Swanston, and please subscribe to our channel and visit our website on www.closers.com.